Vice President Dr. Shankar Khobragade, Chairman Dr. Rajendra Prasad Jatolia, Vice Chairman Dr. Jassimran Kehal and Dr. Sonika Bodhi, and our patron Dr. Sharad Badole and all the eminent speakers of today's webinar. Dr. Shankar Khobragade explained about the symptoms of COVID-19 infection and how to differentiate it from other viral infections of the respiratory tract. Dr. Bhuvanandam highlighted the epidemiology of COVID-19 and how the virus mutates rapidly and recommended steps for containing the pandemic and also the steps to be followed post-lockdown. Dr. Rajendra Jatolia spoke about the pathology of the virus and touched upon the newer therapies for use in patients and importance of the diet of green leafy vegetables. Dr. Praveen Khobragade spoke about what precautions each person and the community can take and various safety measures that can be adopted to reduce stigma and discrimination against people in times of COVID-19. Dr. Jassimran Kehal highlighted the Indian perspectives on social impact of COVID-19, highlighting income inequality, education, gender, caste and class disparities, which make solidarity difficult, and steps on how to build social cohesion. Dr. Gajanan Verma explained the psychological aspects of an epidemic and the impact of pandemic on children, healthcare providers, and how to cope with stress by using the tool of communication to maintain relationships. Dr. Sonika Bodhi detailed out the vulnerable population and the role of Ambedkarite doctors in improving the situation by educating, managing, and communicating with our people at various levels. Dr. Prashit Ambade detailed out the overview of COVID-19 in United States and statistics on the disparities in the racial and ethnic communities there and why these communities are adversely affected by this disease. He also detailed out the positive community response to this disease. Dr. Satish Ambedkar spoke about what is International Ambedkar Doctors Federation and the ideas and the aims and objectives behind it. A special thanks also to the organizing committee, especially Mr. Mangesh Dahiwale and Mr. Sumed Bodhi, and to all those who are involved directly and indirectly in today's event. Also, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to the people who logged into the live webinar as audience. Thanks again for making this webinar a grand success. Jai Bhim, Namo Buddhaya.